Hi, my name is Joakim and I'm the CEO at Elastx. We are a public cloud provider based here in Sweden. Security is very important for us, especially as we are a public cloud provider, and our goal is to provide the best conditions and toolset for running your applications in a secure way. One of the biggest challenges is how to store your secrets in a secure way. Our infrastructure as a service is based on OpenStack, and we were searching for a hardware security module that matched our requirements for automation, multi-tenancy, and cloud scalability. That's when we found Fortanix and their self-defending key management service, which was the only product that matched all of our requirements. Now we're running a 3-node cluster over 3 data centers, and it integrates beautifully with OpenStack. So now we can offer our customers a secure and easy way to store and manage their secrets. Take care and go cloud native.